Okay, there are some things you might not get because shell scripting is just playing around with Linux commands. The Linux commands, playing around with them. There's nothing very complicated, just playing around with the Linux command. At this line one, at this line at this line one, in hiyo shebang main bash, you una specify where the path of the your interpreter, the bash is bin folder. When we are talking about the Linux, tuliongelea the hierarchy of the Linux file hierarchy. We saw the bin folder ndo inakona hizo binaries, hizo stories zote. So read the function, the user will put function kama hivi, then to store in that function. We want to set our a and b initially to be 0 and 1. If our root will not be in that range, we will change accordingly. To change, and they will tell the user to choose the right one, choose a and b appropriately. There is another, there are a number of commands you might not get if you are very new to Linux, but don't worry, or maybe you get interested, baadaye tutajaribu kuona how we can do that. There is this said, the function, you see the function is inawekwa ikiwa na x na hatujui x ni nini, na tunataka kuevaluate, so tunatoa hiyo x, tuna replace na the a, then hakuna x, kuna a. Sasa kama a ni 0, hiyo expression yote tunaituma kwa calculator. Hii bc bash calculator tunaituma kwa calculator kanafanya hiyo calculation, kana store kwa fa. So tunaangalia fa na fb. If a and fb tukimultiply, is greater than 0, meaning the sign is the signs zinafanana, bas tuambie user eka a na b zitatupea opposite sign. If that condition is met, bas tunatoka hapo, tunakuja find the midpoint, a plus b divided by 2. Then we repeat the same story again. We get the fa, then fb, we sleep for 2 seconds.